Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Right now I am at Carlisle 2024 and we are down in the area where we always find the new models that are kind of secretly hidden away for GM employees. Normally these would be ZR1s because that's the new model, but GM decided to only bring one ZR1. So what we're going to show you today is the new colors. Mark here.
Hey guys, how's it going?
And our friend Alan.
Yep, Alan, very good.
So,
yep.
We're going to go over here and start with the black E-Ray.
Yep. Now that's got the carbon fiber wheels, right?
It does.
Wow.
This is a really nice spec.
Wow, very nice.
Probably
yes.
a 3LZ with the beautiful exposed carbon fiber wheels.
Now, what color interior is that? Is that like a
Sky Cool?
Sky Cool gray,
Yeah,
or
Sky
the
Cool
or
gray.
the white almost?
No, it's Sky Cool gray.
And I almost feel like that's like a Alcantara on that
It
seat
is.
there.
Yeah.
Is that new for 2025, where they got Alcantara
No.
on just the front part of the seat?
No, it's on the whole thing. Look at the perforated part. It's on the whole thing.
It is on the whole. Yes.
Yeah, and then all the way up the back. So mine are that exact seat, only mine are two-tone.
Okay. All right.
So it's
so this is a
Alcantara.
highly optioned E-Ray.
It is.
What do you think the sticker would be on something like this?
Oh, it's got a carbon fiber roof. Alan noticed. Yeah, look at that.
What do you think the sticker would be on this, since you just bought an E-Ray?
Yeah. So this is
A coupe?
A coupe.
Yep.
The wheels are 13,500.
Oh my gosh, the wheels are 13,500?
Yeah.
Just for the, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's going to be expensive.
Yeah.
I would say 130,
Wow.
something like that, maybe.
Wow.
Maybe even higher. Trying to think. Mine was 131, 3LZ, but 7,500
Was the convertible
was the
part,
convertible.
but 13,500 for
Yeah.
wheels, yeah.
So maybe closer to 140. Yeah, that's a high build.
Now here's the
This is-
Riptide Blue,
yeah,
right?
Riptide Blue.
And we know that's Devin's car, program manager
Yep.
for Corvette, the wonderful lady. She's
amazing.
watching.
Yeah.
Yep. She's spoken to us many times.
And look at this.
Yep.
That's their new polished
Yep.
and brushed
Yep.
wheel, which is really, really pretty.
Beautiful. When it's cleaned up, it almost could look chrome, right?
Correct.
And she says,
So
when I
look at
talked
that.
to her, Devin said she loves this car because it's an E-Ray. She lives in Michigan.
Yeah.
She doesn't need the Z06. She loves that all-wheel drive, the traction, the acceleration,
Exactly.
everything you talked about
Yeah.
in your video.
And she drives it in the snow.
And she drives it in the snow. She drives
Yeah.
it everywhere.
Yeah.
So this is her ideal car.
So she has the same interior that I have. It's the two-tone Sky Cool gray interior.
Yeah, very
So
nice.
same exact, and it's got the suede seats.
Yep.
Now this is not a 3LZ, which is surprising. If she had the 3LZ, that steering wheel would have the carbon fiber on the top.
Oh, okay.
So, and the bottom.
Well, as Devin will say, this is not really her car, right? It's her
Right,
company
right.
car. If she was
Yeah,
to
yeah.
buy one, I think she'd probably
That's
get
cool.
the
She's got the
3LZ.
blue seat belt.
Blue seat belt, yep.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So convertible, and she went with the carbon flash accents.
Yep. And the Riptide really pops in the sun.
It's so gorgeous.
I'm not sure, when it's in a garage, Alan and I talk about like when it's in a garage, sometimes it looks darker, almost could look like Elkhart Lake blue.
Yes,
so
it does. Yeah.
but in
Laguna blue.
And look, but this is just really nice. I mean, look at the flake in there. That's
What
just
were you gonna
like,
say?
She's got the chrome
Badge. Oh
Yep.
yeah,
Chrome
good
emblems.
call.
Oh,
Yeah,
chrome. Yeah,
Chrome
she's
on
got
the-
the chrome. Yeah.
on the emblems.
Yep.
There you go.
I wonder if she spec'd it that way. Very nice.
I don't know. All
Yep.
right, look what we have next.
Hysteria.
Hysteria
We got
purple.
Hysteria.
And
Yep.
this has the painted carbon flash carbon fiber wheels.
Yes.
These wheels are $11,500.
Oh, really? This is the new? No.
Yeah, they're carbon fiber, but they're just painted carbon flash.
Oh, why would you get a carbon
I
fiber
don't.
wheel and just
I don't know.
paint over it?
I don't know.
Wow.
I don't.
Okay.
I don't understand that.
And
but
what do you think of the interior on that with the
yeah, I like
beige
it.
interior?
Yeah,
with the
all
with the
natural.
Hysteria?
Yeah, natural.
Natural. Yeah.
Yep, I like it.
All right.
I
Look,
like it a
think I
lot.
see a Brink of Speed T-shirt.
That's what it
in there.
looks like, but it's not.
It is. That's a Brink of Speed T-shirt. They're Brink of Speed fans. Those engineers. Very good. Excellent. Yeah.
And it's got the carbon fiber roof.
Yep. Yeah. Very good.
So a
Very
beautiful purple Hysteria coupe, or
Very
Hysteria
nice.
purple. That's also a 2LT, which is, again, surprising.
Nice. Now, apparently, if you're really high up with the Chevy team, you get an E-Ray or you get a Z06. Maybe someday we get ZR1s. Now, if you're from HR, you just get
the Stingray.
You just
Hang
get a
on
Stingray.
one quick second before we move to the Stingray.
Yeah.
Another thing I noticed is this has the front lip splitter, and those two don't. They have just the body color, OEM, just front lip that comes with the car.
Very good.
So I like that better. That's what I have now on my car. Looks so much nicer.
Or he's the assistant
and look,
to the program manager.
Look at what I just noticed.
Oh.
I have a little problem with the front splitter there.
HR doesn't know how to drive these cars, see?
Oh my God.
Hey, HR, man, who's that HR? We'll get him in trouble. No, just
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
It's missing a screw. So
It's missing something.
It has nothing to do with it being hit. It's missing a screw.
This has the tension blue and twilight interior, and it's the rapid blue, and then it has the brand new Z51 spoiler on it.
Now, let me ask you a question. Alan and I were talking about the Z51 spoiler. Some of them have black stanchions and some of them have body colored.
Because this is the body color.
Yeah, but they're not, it's a body colored wing with black stanchions.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we saw that.
I hadn't seen that yet.
And so I was just wondering that maybe that's the pre-production part of it.
Interesting.
Or, I don't know, yeah.
Yeah, I had not seen that yet.
What was it in the, when we were at the tent over there?
Yeah, I think it's in the tent.
But it was black poles with a body colored wing.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
And this is that's a coupe or a convertible. This is a coupe, and this is actually another E-Ray.
Yep.
I'm really surprised they didn't bring a Sebring orange, which I like Amplify orange better anyway. But this is an Amplify orange E-Ray.
Which is a what year model? That's
23. Well, it could be a 24.
24 color.
Yeah, it could be a 24. But it has the body color accents.
So wait a second. It's an E-Ray with the with that orange.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
And then this is just the polished. Actually,
It's painted silver, it looks like.
yeah, I can't remember that.
But
That's the stock one though. That's what came with my car.
Oh,
that's
is
that's
one?
the freewheel. Yeah.
And I really like the contrast with the dark barrel
Yeah, I think that's just a dirty barrel.
I like it. Just a dirty barrel. Okay. Yes, these cars are not exactly washed, right?
No.
They'll probably never get washed, maybe.
This is a 3LZ. It's got the body color front splitter, so they didn't do the upgrade on that. But it's interesting because it has the Sky Cool Gray interior, but it only has Sky Cool Gray on this and then the doors and the center console. There's nothing on the seat. See that?
Oh, wow, yeah.
There's no Sky Cool Gray on the seat. So I'm not sure exactly how they did that with a 3LZ.
And I do
That's
see...
definitely a 3LZ though, because it's got the carbon fiber steering wheel.
Okay. And I do see a Brink of Speed t-shirt tucked in behind the passenger
Oh my
seat.
gosh, Mark, you are so crazy.
You can't see it, but I see it. It's right back in there.
All right. This is basically my car.
Nice.
This is the Seawolf Gray.
Yes.
Only it's got the tension twilight blue interior.
It's got the chrome.
It's got the nickel. No, this is the polish with the brushed.
And is that what came on your car?
No, those are expensive. Those are like $2,500.
Those
Okay.
are the new gray calipers too.
Yep, that's what my car came with. Gray calipers.
Oh, gray caliper, very good.
And then there's your interior, tension twilight blue. This one is a 3LZ. It's a coupe. It's got the low profile, actually the center wicker. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. Thank you,
Very
Alan.
nice.
Appreciate that. And then this is, like I said, it's a coupe. So there's your LT2.
Yeah, yep, very nice.
You guys know I love the Seawolf Gray.
Love that Seawolf
and
Gray.
And he did the blue E-Ray emblem on it. Very cool. All right, next up.
Another Hysteria, right? Is this Hysteria?
No, this is black.
Black, okay.
Or it could be carbon flash.
Hysteria's down there, yeah.
No, it's black. Yep.
The speckle is road dust.
Yeah, it's dust.
It's
These have the black wheels with the machined edge.
Oh, yeah.
And then the beautiful
That's dipped.
natural interior. Yep, it's dipped.
Dipped, which is
You are
the whole
correct.
thing.
Yeah, whole
nice.
entire thing. And
what's the spoiler that it's got? It's got the...
it's just got the front.
standard.
Yeah, the standard front lip.
Yep.
Now they have, on a couple of these, they have the rear spoiler back here even instead of it boosted up.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like you see over there, those are up higher.
Yeah.
This one's just even.
So what would you, what
I can
option
do
of-
that on mine. I have the ability to put these on or the higher ones.
Oh, the higher. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. So it's the same base on all
Yep,
of them, and
same
whether
base.
it's higher. Okay.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
that's interesting. Now, guys, this is a brand new 2025 color. And this is the low wing spoiler on the Z06. So it's not a Z07 package. However, it also has the brand new wheels. So
Yeah.
those are the brand new wheels, brand
That
new
look
yellow
totally
calipers.
different when they're one color compared to the.
Yeah,
chrome
we'll
and
show
black.
them. There's
Yeah.
actually a two-tone
Is
new
there a
wheel
two-tone?
over here.
Yes,
Yeah,
there
and you
is
guys
a-
can say
yep,
what you
yep.
think about the difference.
Now this we think is Josh's car. I think we saw Josh.
Oh, okay.
Putting some stuff out of the. Yeah.
So this has got the yellow stitching with the black interior. Look at that. It is a 3LZ Z06. It's got the nice front lip splitter on it. And it's the new competition yellow. That's
Now-
a beautiful car.
Can I make an observation about the way they've got these things labeled?
Sure.
I noticed that every one of them has a label on it except for Josh's car. I noticed that every single one of them say
CTF.
captured test fleet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's going on?
I don't know.
That's so interesting that this
Maybe
is
they're trying to fake us out.
fake us out.
knows?
This doesn't say captured.
You never know with GM.
Let's look at the VIN. Is it an EX VIN? No, it's a.
Oh, hey, how's it going, man?
It's a 12. Yep.
You guys came up from Texas.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We came up from Texas.
Yep. And so there's the number 12. Number 12, right? What's this VIN? This VIN is 160. So maybe because, I don't know, it's
I don't know.
an earlier
Wait.
car. You'd think it'd have. Josh
Yeah,
doesn't have to CTF his car. So I don't know.
All right, up next, a Rapid Blue Z07 Z06. This thing is absolutely
Nice.
beautiful.
This is
Black
nice.
wheels, yellow calipers, the brand new yellow caliper. It's got the huge front splitter with the dive planes. It's all carbon fiber. Carbon fiber on the side skirt.
Yep.
It's got the carbon flash top and nacelles and the carbon fiber enormous Z07 wing. And then the interior is the tension twilight blue, which goes really, really well with Rapid Blue.
I have to say, I think I like this the best. Even that big wing I thought was gaudy. Just looking at it
beautiful.
now compared to the others.
Yeah, look at that. I mean, and the black tip exhaust.
I love this.
Yeah, I do too.
Absolutely love this.
Yeah.
Yep.
What do you think, Alan?
Yeah, beautiful. I really like it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's my favorite. And it's got, is that called the spider wheel, the black spider wheel? So,
You got it.
and this black Z06 and
Oh,
the
it's
black
just
blade.
gorgeous.
Just, yeah.
Gorgeous. All right, this is another favorite color here.
Maybe this is Tony's car.
Maybe,
Tony Roma's car.
maybe.
Wow.
Red Mist.
Red Mist.
Carbon fiber wheels.
Yeah, carbon fiber exposed
Whoosh.
with the edge red calipers. And it's got the red and black two-tone interior, which is nice.
Yep.
And it's not a 3LZ, it looks like a 2LZ.
Because of the steering wheel?
Yep.
That's what you're looking at, the
Yes,
steering
sir.
wheel?
But it's a beautiful, beautiful spec.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
That red interior goes well with torch red. It also goes
Yeah,
well with the red mist.
Guys, up next is Harlan Charles' car.
Yes.
This is a Hysteria Purple Z07 Z06.
With the dive planes.
Yeah,
and-
it's got everything, but it's all in carbon flash, and it's a very dirty car right now. But look, these are the two-tone new
It's
wheels.
so interesting how that looks. It's the same wheel as that black one we were seeing,
That's
but
right.
it just looks so different with that two-tone.
I'm not a
like
fan.
that. No.
Not a fan of the two-tone look.
No.
He's got the Sky Cool Gray interior, which is a very nice look for purple. He's got the carbon flash nacelles and roof.
Yep.
He's got the big old Z07 wing and the black tip exhaust.
Yes.
So that is what Hysteria looks like in the sun dirty.
Yeah, right.
And then last but not least, we have a beautiful Rapid Blue, and this is an E-Ray. And it's got the black wheels with the machined edge. It's got the tension twilight blue This is a 3LZ, and it also has the level 2 carbon fiber in there. So you got enormous amounts of carbon fiber.
Yep.
And
very nice.
It is a beauty.
Yep, very nice. However, that other Rapid Blue car, just to me,
looks
is
better.
so much better.
Yeah, it does
I don't
look
know
better.
why.
No,
it's
I
that
agree.
wing. It's the same wide body.
Yeah, but
It
it's
just-
the extra
Yeah.
front splitter,
The extra
black
yes.
wheels.
Yes.
I mean the black nacelles and roof also help it.
Yes. Yep,
What do you
yep,
guys
yep.
think? Which one do you like better, that one or that one? Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yep.
It's a great looking car.
It is.
All right, and now the engineers said we could pick anyone we want.
Yeah,
right,
we can
and
drive it.
Right,
Yep.
let's go get.
Okay,
the-
let's do it.
No, not.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave comments down below letting us know which one of these is your favorite. Give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you in the next upload.